If you're a software developer and you're trying to make some money, here's some side hustles you can do. Whether you got a full-time job or not, here's some ways you can make some extra bread. The first thing is freelancing. So you can reach out to businesses, your family, your friends, and create some sort of thing for them, website, app, whatever it is. One thing you can do is DM people on social media. What I like to do is try to attract them with my content and not just spamming people in the DMs. Another thing you can do is create accounts on Thumbtack, Fiverr, Upwork. These are websites where people go to find people to build websites and apps for them. The pro of doing this, of freelancing, is you can make a lot of money. And one of the cons is that it's not scalable. You can only take a few projects at a time, and it can take a lot of your time. The second side hustle is selling a product. You can create your own website or service and sell it through either monthly subscriptions or a one-time sale or one-time fee. You can put an app on the App Store, you can sell it one time, or you can have subscriptions within the app, or you can have in-app purchases. You can create courses, digital courses, like learn how to code, how to do this, how to do that. Basically sell your skills through some sort of resellable course. And the pros of this is potentially it can become passive after that initial work you put in, but the con is that it's time consuming, at least up front it is. Next side hustle you can do is making content like I do. You can create a blog, YouTube, Instagram, ebooks. You can have courses. You can even do podcasts, which is really popular these days. And what you want to do is create super valuable content to people across the internet. And then you can monetize that content with ads or affiliate links, or you can start to sell your products and services within your content. The pros of it is you can make income and you can build a personal brand, which can help you get jobs. It can help you get opportunities. It can help you find ways to make money that you might not even be thinking of. The con is that making content is time consuming. It can be nerve wracking. A lot of people burn out. I've burnt out. I've seen people come and go that gain big followings. It can be tougher than it seems to be, for sure. The next thing is mentoring or consulting. You can help newer devs with programming skills and charge them by the hour or charge them by however you want to charge them. You can review resumes and do mock interviews with other developers. And you can also get hired by companies to be a technical consultant, and whatever that means. Just make sure you have a control over the hours and that you're being paid handsomely. It can be really lucrative thing to do. The pro of it is, it's high income. The con is it's not scalable. You're only one person. You can only work you got so many hours in a day that you can do this. Basically selling your time for money. And the last side hustle is host or speak. You can organize your own events, or you can be charged to lead the events. You can have meetups, do conferences, go to job fairs, do pitches, whatever the case is. One way to get into this is to reach out to upcoming developer conferences to speak, or they'll usually have a call for speakers and you can submit a proposal to speak. And the pro of this is you can get some income from these things, and it helps build your brand as well. But the con is this particular thing can be hard to get into. It can be hard to be comfortable to speak in front of people. And then even then, it's hard to sometimes get your brand built up to a point where people are reaching out to you to do these things. So I hope that was helpful. Please share, like, and save this if you find it valuable. And go out there and make some money.